These are the TKY bags made specifically for the Yamaha Roadliner and Stratoliner models. Now these bags come complete with a hand-laid fiberglass construction, your choice of the bag's finish, which will include either a gloss black paint finish like we have in front of us, or a ready-to-paint primer for you to paint over the bags. They come complete with the latch, locks, and keys for you to secure your bags when you do leave them unattended. And to top it all off, we have a complete quick release mounting kit which comes included with the bags, which will allow you to easily attach the bags on and off from your bike at your convenience. Everything comes pre-drilled and pre-done for you to make for a quick and easy installation. Now you can find these bags at accessoryinternational.com. Now these are the TKY bags made specifically for those Yamaha Roadliner and Stratoliner models. Now what really makes these bags special is that they're made specifically for the Roadliner and Stratoliner models. So what does that mean? Well, looking at the bags do come in at a 40-liter capacity. So they are big bags. They're bags that are going to match the body style of your Roadliner and Stratoliner models. It's going to contour with your rear fender real nicely, and it really gives you the feel that the bags were made specifically for the bike. They don't have that universal fit where you have to kind of make things up and makeshift brackets and do that sort of thing. All of this is made custom for your motorcycle, so it will line up with the existing mounting points on your bike to make for a quick and easy installation. Now you can take a look here. On the edge of these bags, you see they do come with cutouts for your stock turn signals. The stock turn signals on your Roadliner or Stratoliner models will fit flush with the cutouts here, so these bags really do integrate onto your motorcycle. You will not have to remove or relocate any of your existing hardware or turn signals or anything along those lines. Now again, touching on the fact that the bags are really made specifically for the Roadliner and Stratoliner models, when you look at the latch of the bag here, you see that 3-strike design, which is going to match with that strike design that the Roadliner and Stratoliners come with on their gas tank. So it will give you that touch of design to really make the bags feel custom made for your bike. Opening the latch up, a simple pull to open up, and they will go ahead and open for you. Now inside of the bag, first thing that we notice, the entire bag is carpet lined on the inside. It is a fiberglass construction, so we line the interior with the carpet. It's not only going to give you more protection so that your valuables don't get scratched up while you're in transit, but it also masks any of the fiberglass strands that you would typically get on a fiberglass product. Now looking on the inside of the bag, you see that we do have a big 40-liter storage capacity. Gives you plenty of space to store laptops, luggage. You can stick a half helmet in here with no problem, and just a general good amount of storage for you to take trips. Around the perimeter of the bag here, you see that we do have a double rubber seal, which is again going to prevent water from seeping into these bags. It's really going to secure your valuables on the inside and make sure they do not get wet. And here on the top, you see we also have this fabric strap, which is going to allow you to rest the bags down when you open the lids. You don't have to have a hand here holding them to prevent it from kind of like falling apart. This strap will do a good job to hold it in place when you are resting it down in this position. Now you'll notice that the bags do come with the pre-drilled holes on the inside, so they are matched up to match the bolt pattern of the existing fender strut on your Roadliner or Stratoliner model. This is going to make for a quick and easy installation. You just go ahead and line up the bag with the fender struts, and with the hardware that we provide, you go ahead and bolt it all together so that you will have your bag secured in place. If you ever do decide you want to remove the bags for some reason, it is a quick release mechanism. Takes a couple of seconds to detach it, and the existing mounting hardware, which will remain on the bike, does have a lower discrete profile, so it's not going to be like a sore thumb sticking out on your bike if you ever do decide to remove the luggage for whatever reason. Now closing the bags back up here, another point to touch on, all of the latches, locks, and lids here that are used are all a steel construction, and here on this latch it is a chrome plated finish to give you a nice, shiny, bright looking finish. Now overall, the TKY Yamaha Roadliner and Stratoliner bags are a great addition to your motorcycle for both utility, style, and quality in a hand-laid fiberglass construction with the latches, locks, and keys and a beautiful quick release mounting hardware kit that will be included with the package. Now, if you have any questions for us regarding these bags or any other products we may have listed, please feel free to give us a call. You can reach us at 786-242-5400. My name is Alex here at Accessories International, and we will see you next time.